First, open the hood and locate a screw on the right side of the house lamp. Unscrew that one using a screwdriver or any tool that you have at home. After that, you will find a plastic lamp. You unscrew it on anti-clockwise and pull it out. Then you can jiggle out the lamp. I did not show that part because I did it using my both hands. That is the reason I could not show how I jiggle out the lamp, but you just jiggle it out and it comes out. After that, there is a cover on the back of the house lamp, and it is held by a clip, a rubber cover which has to clip. You push on those one using both hands, and it comes right off. After that, you locate the bulb that we are going to change, and then there is some metal clip that holds the bulb in place. You push it downwards and it releases the bulb. Then you take your new bulb that you want to change and insert it in place. Then after that, you take it back and you insert it back to the right position, to the right location. Then, just as you did, you push the clips back, and then you put on the cover. Just to push the whole lamp house in place, jiggle it and it is in place. Then you screw back the screw where it was, and then you push in the plastic lamp that you pulled out. Then you screw back, tightening the screw, and your work is done.